Hello little learners! Today we're going to trace the letter A, both big uppercase A and small lowercase a. You can download the worksheet and practice with me, or trace online. The links are right below in the description. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's trace the big uppercase A. Start at the very top, and draw a straight line down to the left. Great! Now go back to the top and draw another straight line down to the right. Good job! Now connect the two lines in the middle with a short line across. Awesome! You've traced the big uppercase A. Now, let's trace the small lowercase a. Start by drawing a small circle, like a little bubble. Perfect! Now, draw a short line down on the right side of the circle. Well done! That's the small lowercase a. Fantastic work! Now, if you want to practice more, go ahead and download the worksheet or try tracing online. The links are in the description. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a tracing champion. See you next time!